Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm. Be a calm breeze. Go with the flow. You're in the right place at the right time. Spirit is saying you did your part. Sit back, relax, let me do my part, and coast your way into the next level. Do not be a tornado because you have leveled up. You've done everything we asked you to do. So allow us to do what you're asking us to do. Let us come up on our end and then get ready for action in this new season because you're going to a new level. I breathe, live, and grow with the light within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. I cast off doubts. All fear dissipates. No worries. And I find a peace in my being because I'm in the right place, the right time, doing the right thing. Because if it wasn't that way, it wouldn't be this way. Have confidence in yourself. I can't wait to see your breakthrough. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.